Hey guys, what's up? It's Lloyd and Etrius here. Isn't that right, Lloyd?
Yes.
And tell the audience what is today.
Today's my...
Come on, say it.
What should I?
Go!
Today's my birthday.
And how old are you?
11.
Hey, can I turn on the light and come in here? There's, something I wanted to give you. It's a happy birthday card that, I made you. Boy. And put it together pretty fast. I also put together a to-do list. So I'm thinking when me and Mom come back, would you be willing to maybe do some of the stuff? Alright guys, so we made it. We made it here to Weber's to get the cake. We've been coming here for a very long time. Came here to get the cake. Alright. Alright, here we go. Here comes the cake. Let's go. Alright, so we're heading to the park. And it's your 21st birthday. How do you feel? Feel good. So we're gonna head up over by the park, go into the soccer field and do some stuff, and then we'll probably head off to Proska. Probably do some stuff in front of the house. I don't know. It's your 21st birthday. Any feelings?
I don't feel 21.
We're getting closer to the park. We're gonna see if anyone's there. Alright. We made it to the park, and guess what? Nobody is here. How you feeling? Which way you want to go, on the right or left?
I'm lost.
But I can't believe they took out the playground. And in February we made a video talking about it. Playground is gone. And they switched the swings too. Baby swings used to be on the right, now they're on the left.
We could have brought it.
Oh, we had a soccer ball, but I didn't know if people were going to be here. Alright, let's get to work, yeah? We got a boomerang, a frisbee, it's football, and a baseball. We didn't get any baseball bats, and once again, no soccer ball. Oh. Alright, we have the frisbee gameplay. Oh. Damn it. Oh, oh! Almost got it. Almost did. Actually, want the blue one? Yeah, something out here. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, got it. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Home Depot. Oh, 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 let's go. Oh, 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 that was so close too. Oh, is there a bee? Oh, oh, it was so close. Ah, my fault, bad one. Tube's channel. Oh, too high. For now, you're gonna get something from the vending machine. What are you gonna get? What is Lloyd gonna get? What do you think? Snapple Apple is out. Big yikes. This machine sucks. Deja Blue. Oh yeah, they got it. And we'll probably head off to Prosca Park, where the BO3 Zombies in Real Life Part 4 and Black Ops 4 Zombies in Real Life Part 3 took place at. Alright, did you get the water? Oh my god, that doesn't look like the same design.
Do you come with me? Do you come with me?
Alright, that one counts. I'll say that counts. Huh? Well, a bit more. Oh, what? Oh, my God. I think I should just sacrifice and take the L right here in 1v1s in real life. I should just take the L. Just chilling here. We were playing catch, but I think we're taking a small break right now. We might do some more frisbee. You think you're down for a little bit more frisbee?
Maybe.
All right. And then hopefully we'll set off on our journey to the other park, Prosca Park. But I don't know if we're gonna be able to go there on bikes. Maybe Mom could drive us, but I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see. All right, so we just got kicked off the field, right? No, I'm just kidding. What happened? We got a little bit bored. Look at the birds. We got a little bit bored. We might head off to Prosca Park now. We're gonna see if our bikes have air. And then we're gonna head off there, grab a frisbee, some baseballs, and probably soccer ball, yeah? All right, sounds good. We'll see you guys there. Little mammy. Little mammy. Mammy.
Try riding it. Let's see if it feels.
I was gonna say thanks for filling the bikes with air. Yeah. All right, we'll be on our way to Prosca. Oh, can you fix the backpack? Because the bats came out a little. Oh, hell yeah. All right, now we'll be on our way. Let's go. All right, we're taking the ride there. All right, we're getting close to the stoplight, so I'll probably stop it a little after, and then we'll probably get to Prosca a little bit soon because we're taking a quick way where we just go straight down.
Do you come with me? Do you come with me?
What happened? We hit a train. But I think it's a metro. Yeah, it's metro. Come with me. Woo!
Do you come with me?
Here we are. Do I got it? Yep, we made it to Prosca. How do you feel? All right, you wanna go riding around for a little bit? Oh, that poor dog only has 3 legs. All right, we're gonna ride around for a little bit. Go ahead. We made it to Prosca. Pretty nice place. We're here just chilling. You got the backpack on, right? You got the soccer ball, yeah? Yeah, all right. Lots of people playing frisbee golf here. weeping willow tree right here, I'm guessing. Oh, nice. Oh, damn. Oh. Oh. On the verge of frisbee golf, we actually found what it looks like.
And I said, fuck your money. You're the people from Freedom Park. We don't accept your coins either.
Oh my god, it's not taking my dollar?
You're a Freedom Park person, that's why. You have to stretch it out. That's what I had to do.
Oh my.
Want to keep recording? Yeah. You want me to do it? Okay.
Turn it off.
Do you come with me? 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 Do you come with me?
We got it, come on. Woo! Let's go! Step 8 Reznov for freedom!
Do you come with me?
Yeah, we made it home! Oh, there's Mom! There she is! There he goes! There goes Nick! Alright, we're back home. Peppa and Mommy's, or Little Twinkles, but her name is Mommy's now. That's so stupid. Where is she? Peppa! There she is.
Or and that's the only way she can.
Oh, look at that.
Melted?
Ready?
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nick.
21!
Happy birthday to you. Yeah, 21, let's
Yay! 21 milestone!
go. Make a wish, blow out the candles.
Yeah, you gotta make a wish.
Yeah.
And then they all light up again. They're the trick candles. No! Look at rocks.
Let's go.
Look at rocks. Rocks are what the fuck is going on? Oh my god. Help me, Nick.
Roll it.
Oh! Is there a banana? Oh yeah. Is it good?
Oh yeah, that's really good. Alright, well here we are. We're back home. Well, we've been home. So I know you didn't necessarily get gifts, or you know, I did give you this card. How did you feel about your birthday today, being 21?
How do you feel? How do you feel? Like, what does that even mean?
I don't know, I feel the same, you know. I mean, I know, yeah, you get older, but it's just, I don't know, I don't feel like I'm 21. Is there a certain way to feel when you turn a certain age? Like, you know, but no, I mean, I don't feel much different. Anything else you gotta say to the fans out there? Nico Leo Kano and Cookie Hoodie, especially? No.
I'm here. Still.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, I'm still here. I'm still
Okay.
kicking.
Alright. And I'm still kicking too. Everyone, June 1st is my birthday as well.
No one cares.
Damn.